This is Larry on our last day of a job, and he's going to take us on a tour of the garden we just completed. Hi, Larry.
Hi. The project is quite extensive. I've asked Dane and his crew to completely replace the concrete in a very, very boring house. And as you can see, it is no longer boring. This was the first thing that they worked on, is trying to, this is all gravel with a couple plants, and as you can see, it has changed remarkably. Very, very pleased with the workmanship, their attention to detail, and the crew worked incredibly hard. And that's Dane and the whole family that was involved in that, Dane and Jen. So we do thank them for their efforts. And our house has certainly been transformed. So, come on, let's go into the backyard.
Why don't you begin by describing what was there before? And
This whole side of the house was nothing more than concrete. That was it. I mean, it was as boring and ugly as could be. We had some drainage problems which have been resolved. We've set up a small work area back here to kind of keep our tools and whatnot hidden away. And here is our garden. I mean, it is well lit, as you can see by the flowers. I mean, it's just amazing, the transformation. We had a fountain here that we were ready to discard, and Dane said, "No, let's try to incorporate this." So that's what we did, and the results are spectacular. So anyway, it just keeps going. The back area here was contained by a fence that the growing trees were just pushing over. So they've completely taken that out, replaced with a rock wall. Again, we have all the tile lighting through the whole backyard. I just can't tell you how excited we are. It's transformed our whole yard here for the summer. And we're just really excited.